Should you do interdisciplinary research? Everyone is talking about the importance of interdisciplinary research, combining various disciplines to find solutions to our major problems. In this video, I will briefly highlight the pros and cons of doing interdisciplinary research, focusing on research funding, publications, and career development. Recent research by Sun et al. Published in 2021 in Nature shows that cross-council funding has increased in the UK. Many research calls stress the importance of combining different disciplines. Many challenges, for instance the impact of climate change on health, require insights from various disciplines. This increase in funding has resulted in many universities focusing on interdisciplinary research in their long-term strategic plans. Of course, it is easier to make a plan than implement a plan. However, investments have been made to establish research clusters and collaborations. In particular, in the area of machine learning and AI, it is common to combine various disciplines. What is the next big thing to do research on? Google Trends can be useful for spotting a new wave. Here's an example based on the search term green finance. Fashion matters in research. Your timing is essential. Of course, you never know when the tide will turn. It is like riding the bubble. You need an exit strategy as well. I have published in economics, finance, management, and applied mathematics. But most of my papers are not interdisciplinary. I just work in different disciplines. Papers that are truly interdisciplinary can be hard to publish, as very few high-quality journals are dedicated to interdisciplinary research. So you have to ask yourself, where does my research fit? Even before writing your paper, you should identify target journals. You need to explain the value added of your interdisciplinary paper. What can it do that others cannot by combining disciplines? Finally, it can be hard to find suitable reviewers. I have learned from mistakes submitting papers to finance or economics journals that are better placed in more mathematical journals. Now, considering your career options, who is looking for you? Are you a jack of all trades? Well, there are benefits, but sadly academic recruitment can be a challenge. In general, recruitment is focused on disciplines, and it is not easy to move between disciplines. I have done it a few times, moving from economics to finance, then to management and back to finance. It is not a highly recommended strategy. Teaching fit is another issue. In particular, if you studied across disciplines, recruitment panels might question your abilities to deliver courses in their discipline. Finally, people like to put you in a box and put a sticker on your research. It is not easy to do that when you work across too many disciplines. In my case, I get bored very quickly, and my motivation is to learn new things all the time. I studied economics up to PhD level and later in life a BSc and MSc in mathematics. I have spent a lot of time learning various programming languages. But I do not recommend this approach. In summary, interdisciplinary research is best done with a team of experts. It is not good career advice to become a jack of all trades. I hope that was helpful. Please leave a comment and spread the joy of data analysis. I see you next time.